Hi friends, welcome to my channel Coded. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an automatic discount, and using that automatic discount, you can create an offer like if you buy two products, then you get a particular amount off. Like if you see over here, if you buy two products, then you are getting 30% off. So the discount is shown directly on the checkout. So if you see, the discount is shown over here. So now I'll show you how to create this kind of discount. For that, I'll go to my Shopify store. Then under discounts, I'll click on create discount. Then I'll select the discount type as amount of product. So let's select this. Then we are going to create the method as automatic. Then let's give a title. We'll say buy to get 50% off. So we are creating a discount called buy to get 50% off. So if any customer tries to buy two products on my website, then is going to get 50% off. So guys, now under discount value, let's give the discount value percentage as 50%. So you can also select a fixed amount, but since we are giving 50% off, so I'll select the discount type as percentage and I'm giving the discount value as 50%. Then under applies to, I'll select other collection. So I'll select the collections, whatever that I have on my website. Then over here, I'll give the minimum purchase requirement quantity as minimum quantity of items. So I'll give the quantity as 2. So if a customer tries to buy any two quantities from this particular collections on my website, then is going to get 50% off. Then let's save this discount. So guys, if you see at the right side, you can see the summary also. The discount type is amount of product, then it is an automatic discount and it's available on our website. Then the customer is getting 50% off on the three collections that we have given, and it applies to one time purchase. So it's a one time purchase discount, and the minimum purchase limit is two items. So if a customer tries to buy two items on our website, then he's going to get 50% off. So now let's click on save. So there you go. Now let me navigate back. So I'll remove these two products which were there in my cart. Now I'll refresh this page. Now let me add the products again. I have added the product. Now I'll make the quantity as 2. So guys, if you see on the cart also, we can see the discount. It shows the message that we had given, the title name. That was buy two get 50% off. And same message is shown over here. Buy two get 50% off. So guys, see, you didn't even have to bother to apply the coupon code. You directly got the discount because I had added the quantity as 2 in my cart, and because of the discount that we have created buy to get 50% off, I am also getting the 50% discount. So even if I click on checkout, then over here also at the right side I can see the discount, that is buy to get 50% off, and I'm actually getting the product for rupees 749, whereas the total price is 1499.90. So guys, similarly you can create this kind of offers on your website also to increase the sales. So guys, if you like this video and if the video was really helpful to you, then please click on the subscribe button, and also please like and share this video with your friends and family members. Thank you.